The future of hardware isn't happening in conference rooms. It's unfolding at startups, workbenches, and in purpose-built communities of dedicated engineers, makers, and students.
As soon as you push the button, it's got a camera. It's going to take your picture.
Nice.
It's just so much fun, like bringing custom wares to this audience because, yeah, they love this stuff.
I love to see what everybody is working on. It's like very inspiring.
Welcome to Engineering Unlocked, a series exploring the evolution of rapid prototyping, the accessibility of technology, and STEM-powered innovation. Presented by DigiKey, powered by Microchip, Molex, and Supplyframe. Once a year, the hardware world converges at Hackaday Supercon in Pasadena, California, for cutting-edge hardware hacks and deep-dive technical workshops.
I love Hackaday Supercon. It is my favorite event. I think I've come the last 4 or 5 years.
It's kind of like the most enthusiastic and intense folks of the community all come together.
Like a Thanksgiving dinner with a whole bunch of old friends.
Hackaday Supercon is the workshops, the talks, the community.
This was the hardest SAO I've ever had to earn, I can say that for sure.
I love the ideas, I love the people. Every time I come, I'm learning something new. Like everyone here can just sit down and talk nerd with you.
You start speaking binary, somebody responds.
Everyone's helping each other, right? So like someone's like, I have no idea how to do that. And someone's like, let me show you, let me teach you.
This is where hardware hackers come to test ideas, trade knowledge, and push rapid prototyping further than ever before.
I had this situation yesterday where his head actually broke, and I found out it was because of a bad hinge. So I was able to go home, quickly reprint the piece, reassemble it, and come back here today with everything really fixed. It's a whole bunch of 3D printing, testing, failing, testing, failing, testing, failing.
This year's badge is really fun. I love having like the whole keyboard.
The badge plays a very important part. It is the most sought after piece of swag that everyone looks for in their bags. Attendees know they have a unique piece of hardware that you won't be able to find or to buy anywhere else. It's an open hardware for them to experiment with.
And it also has like the radio.
Everyone loves radios. People are getting mesh tactical up in there, soldering the bridge so they can output decent power and reach further.
And I love having like the whole keyboard. I can like immediately go in and start like hacking stuff together.
Whoever did this is brilliant, by the way. How you can get all this on here and code this in a short amount of time.
It's really inspiring to see everybody like hacking together their own thing.
You can say that I've done something that would normally cost other companies hundreds of thousands of dollars to do, and it's all open source.
I didn't win, but I think I may have got second.
But you still get the badge of honor.
I have the badge of honor because that blue light blinking tells it all.
It's all about creative art, algorithms, and just having fun and making cool blinky things.
For the past decade, Pimoroni has manufactured add-on boards, accessories, and educational kits, all made in-house from its facility in Sheffield, England.
When we started, we had one product, which was a laser cut case for the Raspberry Pi. And then we saw Adafruit were making circuit boards, and we thought, that's pretty cool. We get that niche between kind of gun maker stuff and consumer stuff, and there's just a gap there where we sit.
10, 20 years ago, you're paying $20, $30, $40, $50,000 for all the embedded equipment you need in order to create something. And now it's relatively cheap, and there's a community that backs everybody.
You still have the hackspace, but the hackspace is now even more community because everyone can have the tools at home with just a little bit of pain. You save up for a few months, you can have yourself a laser cutter, you can have yourself a brilliant 3D printer, you can have yourself a Galvo laser that can cut metal.
And those same tools from a maker or startup or a prototype, they're being used in the final production. Raspberry Pi is a perfect example. You can take their development platform, use it on a Pi, learn it, and build it into a full industrial project.
We want Pimoroni to be your first board, your first experience, where you start. People say, oh, you want to get started, you want to make a demo, you want to do something, get a Pimoroni board.
Across the industry, rapid prototyping is accelerating. Boards are smaller, firmware is faster, tools are more accessible than ever. DigiKey is connecting creators with the components, development kits, and resources that turn ambitious ideas into working hardware.
Man, for those early few stages and prototypes, DigiKey is the best. Even before I was working for DigiKey, I would go to them because their parametric search made it easy to find stuff that was in stock. And we'd have to do prototypes on our desk. We knew to just order the parts from DigiKey because it would help us prototype what we needed. it would allow us to go to early manufacturing if we just needed to, say, produce 100 units of an item.
On the next episode of Engineering Unlocked, we head to SparkFun headquarters in Boulder to see how electronics development is becoming more approachable than ever.